Hi friends, welcome to KMate GATE Easy Education. Friends who are appearing for GATE 2021 or who are preparing for GATE 2021 in EEE department, who have not money to spend on coaching institutes, who have not money to spend on online courses, who are self-preparing, okay, they can use this course. Okay, what are the free resources that are available in this website? So what is the website? swayam.gov.in. Okay, so these courses are by IIT professors. These courses are provided by IIT professors only. Okay, so what are the subjects that relevant to GATE 2021 through this semester? Not only that, so many students who are not studied in IIT, so who are studying in local engineering colleges, if they want IIT certificate, that means they completed the course and getting the gold medal certificate from IIT. Okay, they can register this course. Dream of IIT. Okay, you can register this course. So what are the advantage? How it will advantage to GATE 2021 or PSU exams? Okay, let's see here. First go through swayam.gov.in. okay, so before going to that, so how will help for GATE 2021 or PSU exams? Okay, and not only that, who are the faculty who are working as a faculty, they can go, some courses are there under faculty development. Okay, so it can also useful in that way. Okay, so let's see through how it helps in GATE 2021. Okay, so before going to that, you see here you see here there are 4 sets of course, 4 weeks, 3 sets of course, 4 weeks course, 8 weeks course and 12 week course. 4 weeks course and 8 weeks course and 12 week course. Okay, and the start of the course at July 20. The start of the course is July 20 for three sets, that is 4 week course and 8 weeks course and 12 weeks course, all are started July 20, and 4 weeks course ended August 14, 8 weeks course ended September 11, 12 weeks course ended October 9th. So exam date, you can see here, exam date at September 27 for 4 weeks and 8 weeks. Exam will be on September 27, and for 12 weeks course, exam will be on October. You see one observation here, the GATE exam will be on next year. Due to corona effect, we don't expect the same date, or they will inform you. Okay, so I also don't know whether the exam will be conducted on the February month or will be postponed. We don't know. Exam will be on the next year. That will be the confirm. Exam will be on the next year. Okay, so the exam here in this NPTEL program or swayam.gov.in programs, the exam will be over by October. So from October 17th, your exam will be over. So till October you complete some courses. You will complete. So we have different type of subjects: machines, power systems, power electronics, and signals and systems, network theory, control systems, measurements. Okay, so some to 8 to 12 subjects are there. This mathematics. Okay, so we have to complete all these subjects. This is for GATE, who are preparing for GATE or PSU, we have to complete all these subjects. Okay, so if you do this course, in October 17th you complete some course, some subjects. So what are the subjects? Let's see. So October 17th you will be complete the subjects. What are the programs, that is what are the subjects that are taking in this semester. So these are all free courses. These are all free courses. You have to pay for only exam. Okay, so exam fees will be 1000 or 1500, I don't know. So exam will be 1000 rupees. Exam fees will be 1000 rupees or 1200, I think so, 1000 or 1200. So that is only exam fee. So and the registering and accessing all are free. So you can get the how much the exam fees will be on the website. Okay, how much will be the exam fees on the website. Okay, let's see what are the subjects that comes in this semester. Okay, in this semester, let's see. So what are the subjects? First subject is basics of software defined radios and practical. This is not required for us. You can't you don't register this. Okay. Second, advance in ultra high voltage transmission and distribution. This is also not required for us. So I am pointing through gate. And DC microgrid and control system. So this is also not required for us. If you are faculty and you want the faculty development program courses approved by AICTE, you can register. I think so. Okay, and next subject is electrical distribution system. This is also not required for the gate. And this is also electrical equipment, machines and finite element. It is also not required for gate. So introduction to smart grid, it is also not required for grid. If you want to AICTE faculty development program, you can register this. Millimeter wave technology is not required for gate. Peer-to-peer networks is also not required for the gate. Power system protection and search gear, this is required for gate. Power system protection and switch gear, this is required for the gate. Okay, so it is 8 weeks program. Okay, this is the first subject that is required for the gate in this semester. Introduction to embedded system design, it is not required for the gate. Analog communication, it is not required for us. Analog electronic circuit, it is required for gate. You see what are the topics that required. You see analog circuit. Okay, so some topics are required, so you don't see all the topics. So DC operating point, MOS, biasing of the MOSFET, small signal model of the MOSFET, small signal analysis. Okay, Thevenin's and Norton's model, common source, common gate, common drain circuits. So these are required. So week 2, week 3 lecture is required, and week 6 differential amplifiers, common mode differential gains, CMRR, common mode rejection ratio. We require this, and feedback amplifiers is required. So you see what are the topics required. Okay, so you concentrate on that. Applied electromagnetism is not required for us. It is also not required for us. Basic electrical circuit is required for us. Okay, so you see here, these are the syllabus. This is required for us. Okay, you can opt for exam also. Okay, so and another thing is, you have weekly. Suppose week 1 lectures is over now. After completing of week 1 lectures, they will give the assignment. Okay, it will also benefits for you. So IIT questions, how will be the IIT questions, and they will give the solutions also. You can and another important thing is, if you have any doubt in that subject, in that subject, they will give the answer also. If you provide the question or the questions in doubt through mail, through forum, they will respond. They will respond to you and give the solution to that also. If you have any doubt, they will answer you. Okay, so this is basic electrical circuit. Second subject that is required for us, compute rated power system. This is not required for us, but you can see some of the Newton-Raphson and basic power flow. Up to some extent this is required. Okay, so load flow analysis up to some analysis, so this is not required. So if you want in depth, you can go for week 2, week 3, week 4 lectures, week 5 lectures. Up to week 5 lectures you can go. Okay, and next subject is control engineering. This is required for us. Okay, here these are the syllabus. This is required for us. Weekly assignment is there. You can opt for this subject. Control system by another professor, it is also required for GATE. So you can go for this also. You opt for 2 because weekly assignment, this SR will provide some questions, this SR will provide some questions. So both will not be the same. So you can get some more idea in control system. If at all, if you know the control system, no problem, you will register that. Weekly assignment, you try to solve that. Weekly assignment, you try to solve that. Then you get one idea. So how far you will be in the control system. Okay, so now you suppose you are paying test series 1500, 1000 for different institutes. Free test series here. Weekly, if you register, weekly assignment is there. One professor will give some different questions. Another professor will give some different questions. Compared to the test series, the IIT questions are somewhat pretty nice. Okay, and you solve the previous GATE questions. Suppose how you prepare. Suppose if control systems is that two professors are giving these control systems in this semester. Suppose if you want to prepare for GATE 2021 or PSUs, week 1 lecture is over. They will give the assignments. You solve that. After week 1, you solve all the previous GATE questions of EEE, ECE and instrumentation. EEE, ECE. So week 1 means basics of control systems. So solve the questions of you buy any 2 books, any coaching institutes of 2 books or 1 book, solve the previous GATE questions. If you have any doubt in that questions also, you can post that. They will give the answers. So by the way, by week 1 basics of control system, second week time response analysis, third week Bode plot, fourth week Nyquist plot. So coming to October, you will complete the syllabus. You are in complete knowledge of the control system. You have a complete knowledge of the control system. Okay, so here 2 professors are going to teach control systems. So weekly assignment. So weekly you complete the topic, one topic in depth. Okay, the syllabus also like this only. You can see here, week 1 you have a control system introduction, second is similar way you buy the coaching institute books, any one coaching institute, they will also provide questions in topic wise, basics of control system, time response, Bode plot, Nyquist plot, steady state analysis, state space analysis, like that. Okay, so if at all you have any doubt, you can clarify with them. Okay, this is the best and main advantage. For GATE 2021. Not only you are getting the subject, you can complete your GATE portion also by studying GATE previous questions. Okay, so one thing, you are getting the subject, you are getting the basics, and you are able to solve the questions given by them. Meanwhile, you are completing the GATE GATE preparation also. By October, your control system will be over. Similarly, power system protection also week 1. Similarly, week 1, week 2, week 3. Go for that. Go like that. Similarly, network analysis. Week 1 is over. Solve the previous year questions of the ECE, EEE and instrumentation. Week 2 is over. What is week 2? Resonance is there. Resonance. Week 3 is going on resonance. Week 3 assignment is come. You solve the previous GATE questions of and IES questions. So not only GATE, IES, you solve the IES questions, IES objective and descriptive questions both. you get the picture. You get the picture of the subject. You get the picture of the subject. You know the basic of the subject. You can be able to solve any question given in the GATE exam. This is the preparation strategy. Who are not able to finance in coaching institutes, who are not able to finance in online courses, who are preparing for self. Take 2 hours or 3 hours, or you take 1 hour or 2 hour daily, one subject. So you register, like you maintain the timetable and complete the course subjects by October 17th. Not only if you perfected that, if you write exam, you get the IIT certificate also. If at all you get 90% more, you get the gold medal with IIT certificate. Next, deep learning, it is not required. Design of photovoltaic, it is not required for us. It is not required for us, but AICTE faculty development program, you can write that for faculty. Digital circuits, okay, same syllabus. You can see here Boolean algebra, combinational function minimization, K-map, logic gates. So weekly you can complete the syllabus topic by topic. How many topics are there? 12 topics. You will complete. Lastly, microprocessor 805 part 1, part 2 is also there. Digital circuits is over, control systems is over, basic electrical circuits is over, power system is over. You maintain the time. Okay. Weekly, and so weekly, so you take the notes and solve the previous GATE questions. If at all, what are the previous GATE questions you have you are facing difficulty, you separately take the notes and finally see that. From that only you drag the basics. Already the basics is given by the professors. Okay. This digital image processing is not required, but at all it is not required, right? So VLSI testing is not required for us. Electrical machines, excellent lecture, Professor Tapas Bhattacharya sir. Okay, so already electrical machines 2 is there. You go for NPTEL C courses, the same professor is given by electrical machines 2. Okay, so you can cover. Okay, so weekly assignment is there. Weekly topic. Suppose first week transformer construction basics. Solve the questions, previous questions of based on that GATE, IES, and solve. Similarly, week 2 operation, week 3 short circuit, open circuit test, for voltage regulation, week 6 similarly go like that. Okay, so don't take all the time. It's simply going, and subject is also in your hand. So here transformers and DC machines will be completed. So last semester you have electrical machines too. Okay, so if at all you want to follow electrical machines too, also you see nptel.ac.in. in courses you get electrical machines too by same professor. And another thing is electrical machines by G. Bhuvaneshwari madam, IIT Delhi. You can go through that also. Electrical machines by Professor G. Bhuvaneshwari. You follow these 2 lectures. This is more than enough. So this is excellent lectures. Excellent professor. Excellent lecture. The same professor lecture network analysis also there. You can watch that. Last semester is there network analysis. Okay, so you go to nptel.ac.in, watch the courses. You have the same Professor Tapas Kumar Bhattacharya sir network analysis is there. You can watch that. Excellent lectures. Okay, so you can get easy way of solving the problems in network theory. You can catch the network theory. You can get the network theory in your hands. Okay, let's see the next curve. It is not required for us. Fundamentals of electrical engineering. So go through this. It is also covered network theory and some basics of DC machines, induction machines, and DC machine and synchronous machines. Okay, so same network theory subject. So by using weekly assignments, you get one idea how the questions will be given, framed by IIT professors. How will be the questions framed by IIT professors? You can see here basic concepts and basics law. You can week 1 you can check it. Previous GATE IES questions, previous IES descriptive questions. Next, method of analysis. What is the method of analysis? Loop analysis, mesh analysis, or nodal analysis, network theorems, and capacitor and inductors first order circuit, sinusoidal and phasor, sinusoidal steady state analysis. So more problems in his lectures. So okay, so more problems you can get. So try to solve this, try to opt this also. Okay, next one is it is not required. Information theory is also not required. It is also not required for us. It is also not required for us. It is also not required for us. So microelectronics, it is also not required for us. If at all you want the basics of diodes by a BJT, because last year GATE 2020 he asked the basics construction. If you see analog circuit, he asked the question in mass capacitor. Okay, so if at all want you have the basic idea, you can go for bipolar junction, MOS transistor, CMOS, biasing of MOS amplifier. Some same will come into picture. So you can check what are the requirements required for an GATE. Okay, so up to week 3 you can go. Up to week 3 you can go. Then after you can check what are the requirements in GATE in these semiconductor devices. Microwave engineering is not required for us. It is also not required for us. It is also not required for us. Power electronics, it is required for us. Most important subject by Professor G. Bhuvaneswari Madam, IIT Delhi. Okay, so if at all you know the subject, no problem. Weekly assignment is there. You solve the weekly assignment problems, and Madam also gives more number of problems. You can get you can taste the subject, power electronics subject. Okay, so same syllabus, GATE syllabus only. There is no anything, GATE syllabus only. Okay. Next thing is power system analysis. Okay, this is the basic of our electrical engineering. Okay, this covers characteristics of transmission lines and load flow analysis, power symmetrical fault analysis, stability. Okay, so you can opt this. Next, power system protection. In this semester 2 power system protection lectures are there. 2 power system protection lectures are there. It is of IIT Kharagpur, the same syllabus. It is a 12-week lectures, same our syllabus only. So if you register both courses, you can taste the subject of the power system protection. If you register both the courses, 8-week course and 12-week course, you can taste the subject of the power system protection. You can handy. The power system protection can be handy if you go for this. Okay, you know in depth of that. Next, it is not required for us. It is not required for us. It is required for us at most. So MOSFET characteristics, scaling, threshold, BJT, transistors, JFET, MESFETs. So somewhat PN junctions, somewhat is not. It is required for us. Okay, so what do we see here? Network theory, control systems, measurements we did not see. EMFT, electromagnetic, digital circuits we have seen. Analog circuits we don't see, and analog circuits some extent we can see. Missions, power systems, and power electronics is covered. Missions, power systems, power electronics is covered. In power systems, there is only one topic is uncovered, that is generation and distribution. So generation and distribution is not covered by this. And if you see here, NPTEL courses, power system engineering. Power system engineering, same professor, Debi Priya Das is there. There you cover some topic, insulator, cables, insulators, cables, and sag and tension. You can cover that. Okay, so electrical machines, Professor Tapas Bhattacharya sir. one is there, and electrical machines, total complete electrical machines by Professor G. Bhuvaneshwar madam is there. You can watch it. And networks is covered by two SARs here, Professor Devi Priyadas, fundamentals of electrical engineering, and one basic electrical circuit. Not only that, you go for previous last semester network analysis by Professor Tapas Kumar Bhattacharya sir, and the same basic electrical circuit by IIT Kanpur or Kharagpur last semester is there. It is also very nice lecture. Network is over, control systems is over. Measurements, IIT Kanpur last semester is there. One subject, measurements, you go for NPTEL, measurements lecture is there. Very nice lecture. You can get the concept very clearly. And last semester is there. If you go for NPTEL to nptel.ac.in, you see the courses, you get the measurement course. Okay. And measurements, signal systems also last semester is there. You can signal systems have I think Jagannatham sir signal system is there. You go for that. The IIST Bhopal one lecture Hindi is going, and principle of signal systems by Aditya Jagannatham, I think so. One lecture is there. You can go through that. And if you want analog circuits, go and register to CD in Bombay, CD Bombay. Okay, there analog electronics is very nice. One professor is there. I don't remember the JHOLE professor Joe will come. Excellent lecture. Go and register in CD IIT Bombay. Go for analog electronics there. And signal system is covered. Electromagnetic theory last semester IISR Bhopal one lecture one professor is given. You can go through that. Electromagnetic field theory. And engineering mathematics 1 and 2 and is 3 available. You can go through that. So whole GATE syllabus can be covered through these NPTEL courses. Digital circuits is covered. Analog circuits, you go for CD Bombay, CDEEP Bombay. Register there. Analog circuits by JHOLE, his last name, professor, IIT Bombay professor. Excellent lecture. So you go and register there. You can watch analog circuits. Excellent. The analog circuit lecture is excellent. Okay. And electrical machines, okay, Professor Tapas Kumar Bhattacharya sir, and power system Professor Deba Priyadas. Okay, right. Okay, no problem. Very nice lectures. And power electronics by Professor G. Bhuvaneshwar. Our core is covered. Okay, analog digital is covered. Whatever measurements is also covered. Measurements is IIT Kanpur, I think so. Last semester is there. You go to NPTEL is there. Okay, so no need to put cost for test series. If at all interested, you can opt for one test series in big institute. So many institutes or coaching institutes are there. You can opt for one test series and try to solve the problems. Okay, so all the best, friends. So I am giving this information to the students who are not able to put money, who are not able to finance the money in coaching institutes, finance the money in online courses, who are self-studying, because the 45,000 60,000 means during this lockdown it is not affordable for us. Okay, so that's why I am giving these free resources. Please register. Okay, please register and get the IIT certificate and get the subject knowledge and get the test series, weekly assignment, and get the GATE preparation and complete the GATE preparation by most of the subjects. Almost 80% of the subject is covered in this semester. 80% of the subject, except analog. Remaining all are covered in this. Okay, control systems 2 lectures, power system protection 2 lectures, power system analysis there, electrical machines analysis, electrical machines is there, power electronics is there. Okay, so electrical machines 2 by same professor is there. You can watch it on NPTEL. Okay, If at all you have no, if at all, sir, if at all I have a doubt, how can the pause? So how can I do, sir? If you go give whatever you do, whatever the doubt you put in the forum, compulsory you get the response. You get the response. Damn sure. Damn sure. Okay. So this is the advantage. Okay. So if at all you're interested, you can pay the exam fees. You can write the exam. But registering and accessing of the course is free. Absolutely free. Absolutely free. So registering and accessing all are free. You don't bother about that. Okay. So thank you, friends. Share to your friends also. Thank you.